What's up guys? In this video, I am going to show you how to add calendar in Google Sheets. So let's get right into it. Click on the cell that you want to add the calendar and go to the data option up here and press on data validation. Now on this data validation rules window, press on the add rule option. Go down to criteria and change the setting to the is valid date option and press on done. Now double click on the cell, and as you can see, you've just added a calendar to that specific cell. Now if you want to add the calendar to multiple cells, just hold down your cursor and highlight all the cells that you want to add the calendar to. As you can see now, the calendar has been added to all the cells that you've just highlighted. Now if you want to edit or remove the calendar from your cells, highlight the cell and go back to the data menu and press on the data validation option again. Now try to double click on the cells again. As you can see, the calendar has been removed. And that's it guys, that's how to add calendar in Google Sheets. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.